Vice President of County Activities, Barry Walker. Welcome to our Unsung Superheroes in Education Award. This is only in our third year, but has quickly become one of the most popular events at Workshop. We get to finally shine a light on those superheroes among us, those individuals who diligently work behind the scenes, often overlooked, but who make a tremendous impact on our schools and on our local communities. The library media specialists, coaches, club advisors, school nurses, bus drivers, bus aides, custodial engineers, maintenance, building and grounds, cafeteria food services, crossing guards, security guards, secretaries, administrator assistants, paraprofessionals, aides, and countless others that play vital roles in the daily lives of our children. While teachers and administrators often receive the well-deserved recognition for their contributions, it's essential to acknowledge the invaluable work of these unsung superheroes. They are the heartbeat of our schools, the unsung champions who ensure the seamless operation of our educational institutions, whether it be providing a safe and comfortable environment to and from school, a warm, nurturing smile, true protectors of our future, the Band-Aids, the glue that holds our schools together, greeting our community members, handling all the nuances behind the scenes, the myriad of tasks with an unparalleled efficiency and grace. These unsung superheroes are not just individuals who are performing their jobs, they are the cornerstone of our educational communities. They foster a sense of belonging and safety, which is critical to our students' success. Their work extends far beyond the boundaries of the school walls. So today, let's celebrate the unsung superheroes who may not seek the recognition, but truly deserve it. Their impact in our schools and local communities is immeasurable. At this point, I'd like to recognize all the recipients through a round of applause. I would ask that when your name is called, please come to the stage. We prefer that you come on my right side, your left, enter the stairs over there, and you'll remain on stage after you receive your trophy, as we'd like a photo of the entire class of 2025 Unsung Superheroes. All right, so here we begin. Each division, I'll announce the division and then the recipient. Custodial Maintenance, Buildings and Grounds. James J. Aiello. Purnell Public Schools. Jay is a maintenance worker for Purnell Public Schools, an employee of the district since 1970. Jay is a pillar of Verona, always willing to do what he can to help others with a smile on his face. His work ethic and positive attitude for over the past 50 years sets him apart from others. Jay approaches every task with professionalism, precision, and dedication that sets the example for others around us. He is willing to help and always looks out for the entire well-being of the school, a model of quiet leadership. Jay ensures Verona's school safety and schools run effectively, smoothly, and the staff feels supported and connected. Congratulations, Jay. Administrative and Secretarial Division, Bobby Schumann. Salem City School District. Bobby's career at Salem City School District began 40 years ago as a volunteer and has evolved to her current role as the secretary of the Child Study Team. Described by a colleague as the heart, the hands, and the feet of the Child Study Team, Ms. Schumann is lauded for her kindness, exceptional memory, and efficiency. She's reliable, positive force that consistently goes above and beyond, ensuring that her team and the district function smoothly. Congratulations, Bobby. A division. Kenny Sinnott. Kenny Sinnott is a professional and kind with an upbeat attitude that brightens the days of students and staff alike. He also knows how to make things work in a crunch, such as when Kenny's bus caught on fire. Hold on, there were no students on the bus, but still, his quick-witted thinking gets the fire extinguished and no one was hurt. Kenny regularly goes above and beyond what is necessary to get his job done, all while greeting bus passengers with a smile. Congratulations, Kenny. Cafeteria Food Services. Ruth Kruginski. Clinton Township School District since 1976. What began as a job as a cafeteria manager and head cook blossomed into nearly 5 decades commitment to nurturing generations of children in her community. During that time, Ruth transformed the Round Valley School cafeteria with her culinary arts and leadership. Her meals were made with skill and served with something even more special, genuine care for every child. Ruth retired in 2018, but returned 1 year later and now works as a lunch recess monitor. Even in this new role, her dedication never waves. At the young age of 95, Coach Club Advisor, Leon Bunyan! As a track coach and business teacher at Broadway High School, Leon makes a transformative impact in his roles on the track and also in the classroom. With 2 decades of coaching experience, Coach Bunyan has fostered multiple state championships and All-American and has helped nearly 24 athletes earn athletic scholarships to continue their education and athletic careers at the collegial level. He's committed to empowering young leaders, extends beyond the track in his role as the coordinator of Jobs for America's Graduates, a program that provides students with invaluable real-world skills and opportunities. Through his mentorship and guidance, students have learned discipline, built confidence, and cultivated a lasting commitment to excellence. Congratulations. Crossing guard category. Leo Foy! Leo's not here. Is he? Oh, you're gonna, that's right, Scott. You're gonna. Oh, he's watching live. Leo is watching us live, everyone. Hamilton School District. Leo has worked as a crossing guard in the Hamilton School District for 20 years at the incredible age of 92 years old. He sparks joy across the Hamilton School District students. Each day, Leo greets everyone with a smile and warm greetings as he helps students navigate safely to school, always with a positive word for the students and their parents. When he needs to take the day off, the students stop and ask, "Where's Leo?" Even during the summer months, students will seek their favorite Mr. Foy at the park in town. For the students, he is more than just a crossing guard. He's a trusted adult and friend. The HR professional category. Ashley Dunker! Township School District as the benefits coordinator. Ashley continually goes above and beyond primary responsibilities with a fantastic combination of extreme knowledge, empathy, kindness, and a genuine commitment to confidentiality. She helps employees make the best decisions to receive maximum benefit of their chosen plans. That's important right now, especially. She does not shy away from advocating for the district employees to ensure that Purnell Township Personnel Department is safe and a trusting place where staff can feel heard and valued. Specialist Division. Vanessa Abudessa. Dumont Public Schools, Vanessa is a library media specialist in 4 K-5 schools within Dumont Public Schools, and her impact extends far beyond the walls of the library. Her technological experience helps staff and students navigate the complicated digital landscape. Vanessa also writes and integrates curriculum, bringing stories to life, and encourages critical thinking. Her careful curated books collection celebrate diversity, promote social and emotional learning, and more. Students know that the library is a safe and welcoming place because of the inclusive and imaginative environment that Vanessa creates. Congratulations. Paraprofessional aid category. Daisy Pepley. Public Schools. Daisy Pepley has been an ESL program paraprofessional at Lennox Elementary School for 26 years, bridging languages, cultures, and the hearts of unwavering dedication. She is responsible for connecting families to their children's educational coursework. Daisy's kind, playful spirit and selfless nature is infectious with the staff and students alike. She's a reminder that most important metrics are measured in smiles, in parents who feel welcomed, in children seeing their heritage valued, and in the school community that truly embodies the word family. And 3 more. It's like the price is right. All right. School Nurse Division. Kathleen Reardon! Well-being of the students, their families, schools, staff, and also the community. She provides not only critical health care, but emotional support, necessities like fooding, and also hygiene supplies. Kathy brings trusted relationships with families, advocates for students' health, and ensures no child ever feels unseen or unsupported. Her office is a safe haven. Her smile is healing, and her commitment to the well-being of every child and family is unmatched. All right, School Security Personnel Division. Brian Boyce. All right, Aquatic School District. Although his official role is a security guard, Brian Boyce is the cornerstone of the positive school environment at North Boulevard Elementary School. Brian ensures safety and security of the building, but also serves as a cheerleader, an organizer, substitute, morale builder, gardener, and role model. He exemplifies what is meant to be a superhero in education, working behind the scenes, rarely seeking the recognition, but making a profound difference each and every day. Aquatic Township's superintendent agrees North Boulevard is a better place because Brian Boyce is there. Congratulations. Technology Professional Division. Tyler Kazar. Tyler Kazar is an AV support specialist in Somerville Public Schools. This is a special one for me because he was a student when I was superintendent in Somerville. Behind the scenes of every school event, classroom lesson, and district-wide communication, Tyler ensures that all audiovisual systems are fully functioning, accessible, and efficient. His work extends to the community events, ceremonies, and remote learning initiatives that keep families engaged and connected. Tyler is also the advisor of the first robotics competition team, which inspires students to be collaborative and innovative. Thanks to his work, Somerville Public Schools has become more progressive, efficient, and technologically innovative, benefiting the students and the community at large. Congratulations. All right, let's Let's give another round of applause for our 2019